I learned this trick in a famous restaurant, and now I only do ribs like this. I'll leave it here for 2 minutes on one side. I'll turn it over and leave it for another 2 minutes on the other side. The 2 minutes are up, and now I'm going to remove this rib from the pan. I'm going to put it here on a meat board. And I'm going to cut the pieces like this at the softest part. And we'll separate all the ribs. Once that's done, I'm going to take them one by one and coat them in wheat flour. We'll bread all the ribs. This recipe is a spectacle of flavor. Moving on, we'll put the pork ribs in a pan of hot oil to fry. Once they're golden brown, turn them over and let them fry on the other side too. Look how delicious this is turning out. These ribs are perfect. Now that they're nicely browned, let's remove them from the pan and set them aside. After removing some of the oil, we'll add 2 tablespoons of butter to the same pan. Let the butter melt and then add 2 chopped onions. Let the onions fry for 2 minutes. Then add a teaspoon of salt, a black pepper to taste, a teaspoon of oregano, a teaspoon of paprika, and let's stir. These onions will give the meat much more flavor and tenderness. Now return the ribs to the pan. Make this recipe at home because I'm sure everyone will love it. Next, I'm going to add a little rosemary on top and then some beer. This beer will give this recipe a very special flavor. Now just put the lid on and let it cook for 20 minutes. After that time, I'll uncover the pan and add 200 milliliters of tomato sauce. Then stir and cover again. Let it cook for another 20 minutes. That's it, folks. Our pork ribs are now cooked, and I'm going to add some chopped parsley on top. Look how wonderful our ribs are. Now all you have to do is serve them up. So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it and see you in the next video. Bye bye. Now I only make ribs like this. I learned it in a famous restaurant. I've got 1.5 kilos of pork ribs here. And I'm adding 600 milliliters of cola. I'll let it marinate for 30 minutes. After marinating, place the pork rib on the aluminum foil, season with salt to taste and black pepper to taste. Now add ketchup and add it like this. Then add mustard to the pork ribs. This is going to be delicious. Next, add barbecue sauce. With these sauces, this rib will be very tasty. And I'll finish with mayonnaise. Once that's done, I'm going to use a silicone brush to brush the sauces on top so that they blend well and cover the whole pork rib. Now let's close the aluminum foil like this. Remember that I put 2 sheets on top of each other. I'm coming with the 3rd sheet to finish covering. It's important that the ribs are well sealed in the foil. And we're closing it like this. And let me know what city you're watching from so I can send you a big hug. Now let's take the pork ribs and put them on a baking sheet. Then bake it for 2 hours. That's the secret to keeping it tender and tasty. After this time, we'll open the aluminum foil here and leave the pork ribs uncovered. Brush again. And put it in the oven to brown. Now I'm going to show you how tasty it is. It's falling apart, coming off the bone, people. And to make it even better, I've sealed this hamburger bun here, and I'm going to stuff it with pork rib meat. It's too good here. So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Since I discovered this recipe, I only make pork ribs like this without frying them. I put a kilo of pork ribs in boiling water. Cover and leave for 2 minutes. After that, let's season it. Add a teaspoon of salt, a pinch of black pepper, a teaspoon of paprika, and finally 5 chopped cloves of garlic. Now we'll put the lid on and let the water reduce. And look, it's already reduced a lot, so tell me how you make pork ribs at home. Now I'm going to add 50 milliliters of soy sauce and 100 milliliters of water so that it finishes cooking, and also so that the soy sauce gives it a very good flavor. I'll put the lid on and leave it for another 5 minutes. And look at our ribs, people. They're already wonderful. Add 2 tablespoons of ketchup, a tablespoon of mustard, a tablespoon of pepper jelly, a tablespoon of honey. Stir, and I'll tell you right away, these sauces with the honey will give our pork ribs a flavor you've never seen before. Here at home, my family loves this recipe and always asks me to make it. Look at the wonderful color. We just let it reduce a little, and look what a wonderful color it is. It looks very juicy. Look at the wonderful ribs. Is it mouth-watering or not? Let me know how you rate this recipe. So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.